So, how did I make $626 trading options in a single day? Well, it's quite simple. I stole my grandma's retirement money. Thanks, Grandma. Not really. Basically, I traded options. So, what are options? Basically, if you think a stock will go up, you will buy a call option. If you think a stock will go down, you will buy a put option. Also, quick announcement, if you're going to trade tomorrow, be very careful because tomorrow Jerome Powell will be live at 2 o'clock p.m. and we'll be talking about interest rates at 2:30 p.m. Usually when Jerome Powell talks, the stock market tends to act very volatile, sort of like me when I do lines of coffee. So, going over the first trade and the first loser, Google. So I bought Google at 11:53 a.m. because I saw that it was at near touching support level of 147.20. Then at 12 p.m. I sold at a loss because, mind you, I trade at work, and around that time a customer came in, and when I looked I was down $202. So I just exited out of that position ASAP and was like, oh well, on to the next play. So, so my second loser was United Health. So at 1:03 p.m., I bought United Health because I drew out a trend line. It was like, okay, as long as it's above this trend line, everything should work out and could possibly respect the trend line. I mean, it sure work out, right? Nope, I was wrong. The next candle just completely broke the trend line, and I was just like, wow, that trend line. And was like, wow, that trend line completely represents me. Broken and poor. So at 1:05 p.m., I sold out of this position at a loss of $97. My third loser was SPY. So at 12:13 p.m., I bought a call option because I saw that SPY was at my support level of 513.04, but for some reason I just didn't feel confident and sold at 12:14 p.m. because I honestly thought it was going to break support, so I sold out my position. So my next SPY trade I bought in at 224, but I immediately sold because I saw that my position was down either exactly 5% or more. Basically, my rule was while I traded options was if my position is down 5%, I'm closing out of that position. So my total loss with SPY was $96. So my fourth loser was JP Morgan. So at 119 I bought a couple call options and then slowly started averaging in because I saw that it was at support of 193.20. But at 125 I sold out of my position because I personally thought JP would break to the upside quickly, but I was wrong, and before my position got worse, I sold it for a loss of $73. So my fifth loser was Microsoft. So at 12:56, I entered a call position because my game plan was as long as it doesn't break the 42 as long as it doesn't break the 420.90 support level, I'm still in this, but literally the next candle shattered that support level, and at 12:57 I exited out of my position because I didn't really feel confident, and I saw my position was down from the moment I jumped in, and I was like, yeah, I can tell this trade isn't going to work out. So I sold out my position with a loss of $69. My last loser is Apple. So at 312, I bought put options on Apple because I saw resistance was 176.40, but for some reason I didn't feel confident in the trade, so I sold out my position at 313 for a small loss of $22. Now, moving on to winning trades, the first winner is Amazon. I bought put options on Amazon at 149 because I saw that its current resistance was 175.77 and was like, well, let me see if Amazon tries to break the resistance. Luckily for me, I was right, and Amazon decided to fall in the next candle. I sold out of my position at 151, then at 154, I bought call options because I saw support was at 175.40. But honestly, this was a dumb trade because I honestly thought Amazon would try to retest previous highs, but I was wrong and sold out of my position at 204 because obviously I'm an idiot. So I made a total gain of $93. My second winner is Tesla. So at 1249, I bought in call options because I saw that support was at 171.76 and was like, okay, as long as it doesn't break it, I'm good. But at 1254, I sold out my position because I honestly didn't feel confident and was sticking to my rule. If my position is down 5%, I'm out. But literally, Tesla later skyrocketed moments later and was like, wow, really? Then at one, I got into another Tesla call option or position and bought in because I saw that it was at support of 171.55. I felt really confident in this trade, and at 102, I sold out this position because I was like, okay, it surpassed the previous highs. What more do I want? So in total, I made a gain of $129. My third winner is Meta. So I bought call options on Meta at 1125, and the reason I bought in is because I saw that it was respecting a trend line I drew out. My idea was, okay, if it breaks the trend line, I'm out, but if it doesn't, I'm still in. So at 1128, I sold out my position because I was like, okay, I'm up like 4%. That's good enough for me, and I made a gain of $166. My fourth winner is Johnson & Johnson. So at 1223, I got in with call options because I saw that resistance was at 156.50 and then got out at 1234 and was overall happy because I was like, wow, this is a feeling I've never felt. So in total, I made a gain of $228. My fifth winner is Nvidia. So I got into call options on Nvidia at 225, but I exited out at 228 because again, I didn't feel confident and just sold out of that position. But later at 315, I got into call positions, but I sold out because I wasn't feeling confident. So I quickly sold within seconds. So in total, I made a gain of $262. My last winning trade is Boeing. So I got into Boeing put options at 106 because I saw that Boeing had touched all-time highs twice, and I was like, okay, it's touched highs twice and it has touched support of 180. So in my plan, I was like, okay, even if I don't touch the previous support of 180, I can sell out of this position for a 5% gain, which I did because I was like, should I still hold or sell? I was like, nah, I think I should sell out. And at 106, I sold out and made a gain of $307. Basically, I took advantage of Boeing because I was like, well, it's kind of ping ponging back and forth. And I was like, I can make an easy trade on this. So overall, on Tuesday, March 19th, I made a total of $626. Was it easy? No. Should I take more risk? No, because I'm a complete idiot. But what do you guys think about day trading options? Do you guys prefer option trading or do you prefer to invest in the long term? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know how you would have traded SPY. This concludes the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Get yourself some free stock when you sign up with my Webull, link in the description below. Whether you're seeing this on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Instagram, and TikTok. The only way you can sign up on my TikTok to get your free stock is you gotta click the link in my. You have to click on the Instagram logo in my TikTok, and then once you click the link, the Instagram thing in my TikTok bio, it'll transfer you to my to my Instagram page, and then you'll see a link where you can sign up with my Webull link. And once you sign up, you get free stock, and you can either sell it, trade it, hold it, whatever you want. And yeah. So, as always, guys, take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, this is not financial advice. Alright, see you guys. Take care. Bye.